Welcome to Money Chat, the place to get information on money, personal finance and budgeting. The ultimate guide to student loan forgiveness and debt relief. Student loan debt is a daunting and overwhelming reality for millions of students in the United States. It can feel like there's no end in sight when it comes to paying off loans and finding ways to manage the debt. But there is hope. Student loan forgiveness and debt relief programs can help you manage and even erase your debt. It is the ultimate guide to student loan forgiveness and debt relief. It will help you understand all the options available for managing and eliminating your debt. In addition, you will learn about different government programs and other organizations that provide debt relief, as well as tips and strategies for budgeting and creating a debt repayment plan. With this guide, Money Chat wants you to gain control over your student loan debt and get back on track to financial freedom. Types of student loan forgiveness programs. Various student loan forgiveness programs are available depending on your specific situation and needs. These programs can reduce the student loan debt you owe or even eliminate it, allowing you to start fresh with a clean financial slate. It understands the different types of student loan forgiveness programs. Therefore, it can help you navigate the process and find the program best fits your unique situation. Public Service Loan Forgiveness Program, PSLF, is one of the most well-known and popular student loan forgiveness programs. After making 10 years of monthly payments while employed in a public service position, you can use this program to have your remaining debt forgiven. However, specific qualifications and restrictions apply to this program, so ensure you fully understand them before applying. Teacher Loan Forgiveness Program, TLFP. If you're a teacher, you may qualify for this program. This program will forgive the remaining amount on your federal student loans after making 120 consecutive payments. End Student Loan Debt for Veterans Program, SLDF. If you're a veteran, you may qualify for this program. This program will cancel up to $60,000 of federal student debt for qualifying military veterans. Income-Based Repayment Program, IBR. If you have high student loan debt, you may qualify for this program. This program allows you to reduce your monthly payment based on your income. Income Contingent Repayment Program, ICR. You may qualify with high student loan debt. This program allows you to reduce your monthly payment based on your income. Other organizations that provide student loan debt relief. Various organizations help individuals manage and reduce their student loan debt. These organizations provide relief in multiple ways, including providing advice and guidance, connecting you with government programs and services, and even offering financial assistance. Knowing about these different organizations can help you navigate the process and find the help you need to manage your debt. American Student Assistance, ASA, is a nonprofit organization dedicated to helping students navigate the financial aid and repayment process. They provide various services, including financial aid guidance, student loan debt assistance, and financial literacy programs. National Endowment for Financial Education, NEFE, is a nonprofit organization dedicated to promoting financial literacy and helping individuals manage their finances. They provide helpful resources and information to individuals navigating the student loan repayment process. Student Loan Relief is a company that offers student loan assistance and debt relief services. In addition, they help individuals navigate the process of applying for government programs and managing debt. Strategies for managing student loan debt. Students should explore different loan forgiveness programs and other debt relief organizations. In addition, you will want to start thinking about managing your debt and controlling your finances. While in school, it's essential to understand your options for managing debt and avoid unnecessary and unwise financial decisions. Here are some tips and strategies for managing debt and keeping on track with payments. First, estimate your monthly payments before applying for any student loan forgiveness programs. You will want to understand your debt and how much you will have to pay each month. You can use free online debt calculators to get a clear picture of your payment amounts based on your loan type. Make payments on time. Your student loan servicer will send you a bill each month, and you'll need to make payments on time. Missing payments can cause serious damage to your credit score, and being delinquent on payments can damage your reputation with future lenders. Get organized. Student loan debt is overwhelming, particularly when you're in school. To keep everything under control, you'll want to stay organized. Try using an online student loan repayment tracker to stay on top of payments and keep your finances under control. Budgeting tips for student loan repayment. Once you've selected a repayment strategy and know what you'll have to pay each month, it's time to set up a budget. Managing your debt is all about budgeting and prioritizing your finances, which can be challenging. At the same time, there is more than one set formula or specific budget that works for everyone. Some general tips and strategies to remember as you begin budgeting for your student loan payments. Below are a few tips for managing your budget and keeping your finances on track. Track your expenses. You can't manage what you don't track. So before you start, it's essential to track your expenses. It will help you clearly understand your current spending habits and identify areas where you can save money. Prioritize necessary expenses. Certain expenses are unavoidable. You'll need to pay your bills, and you'll need to have a basic financial safety net in place. You'll also need a livable standard of living, so make sure you have enough money to live on each month. Keep debt repayment a high priority. You'll want to keep paying your debt on time and paying as much as possible towards your student loans. You may need to make other adjustments to your budget, but keeping up with your debt payments is essential. Creating a student loan repayment plan. Now that you've selected a repayment strategy and know what to pay each month, it's time to create a repayment plan. Every individual's situation will be different, and you'll need to ensure that your plan is flexible enough to account for changes in your finances. The key to creating a successful repayment plan is to start as soon as possible. Below are a few tips and strategies for creating a repayment plan that works for you. Get organized. Before you dive into creating your repayment plan, it's essential to get organized first. Gather all the information you have on your student loans, including your loan amounts, interest rates, payment dates, and payment amounts. Once you have this information, you can start building your plan. Make a budget. Once you have your loan information organized, it's time to make a budget. It will help you see how much money you have to repay your monthly student loans. Choose a repayment method. Student loan repayment methods exist. Depending on your loan type, you can select a specific repayment method that works best for your situation. Tax implications of student loan forgiveness. Student loan forgiveness is a great way to reduce and eliminate debt. Still, you should be aware of the potential tax implications. Repayment strategies that qualify for student loan forgiveness, like PSLF and IBR, are considered taxable income. That means you need to report and pay taxes on the loan amount. However, you can use a few strategies to reduce the amount you'll have to pay in taxes. 1. Make estimated tax payments throughout the year. 2. Choose the right repayment strategy for your situation. 3. Consult a tax advisor to understand the exact amount and methods you can use to reduce your taxable income. It's essential to keep these things in mind as you. Student loan forgiveness has been an essential issue for many college graduates in recent years. Unfortunately, with college tuition increasing, student loan debt has become a burden that can take decades to pay off. Fortunately, programs and initiatives are available to help borrowers get relief from these loans. The most popular form of student loan forgiveness is the Federal Direct Loan Program. This program allows eligible borrowers to have their federal student loans discharged after making payments for 20 or 25 years, depending on when they borrowed the money in their repayment plan. Recent updates to this program include income-driven plans that cap monthly payments at 10 to 15% of discretionary income, and forgive any remaining balance after 20 or 25 years. In addition to the Federal Direct Loan Program, other forms of student loan forgiveness are available. For example, Public Service Loan Forgiveness, PSLF, allows borrowers who work for a qualifying nonprofit organization or government agency to have their loans forgiven after 10 years of payments. In addition, other programs, such as Teacher Loan Forgiveness and Perkins Loan Cancellation, provide relief from student loans in certain circumstances. The Student Loan Forgiveness Update provides more details on these various forms of debt relief. In addition, it can help borrowers determine e-eligibility. The information it contains is critical in assisting borrowers in making an informed decision about how best to manage their student loan debt. so they can repay it on time and avoid financial hardship in the future. As student loan debt continues to be a significant issue for many college graduates, staying up to date on the latest loan forgiveness options is essential. With this knowledge and understanding, borrowers can make sure they are taking advantage of all available opportunities to get relief from their student loans. Stay informed on student loan forgiveness updates. College graduates can ensure they are taking advantage of all the options available for relief from their student loans and managing them without undue financial hardship. It is essential to research the various debt relief forms and determine which are best suited for each individual's particular situation. Then, with the correct information and understanding, borrowers can take the necessary steps to control their student loan debt. By doing so, they can avoid stress and worry in managing their finances after graduation. References: 1. Federal Student Aid, Direct Loan Program. 2. Consumer Financial Protection Bureau Public Service Loan Forgiveness. Consumer Finance is a guide navigating public service loan forgiveness. 3. Federal Student Aid, Teacher Loan Forgiveness. Manages loan forgiveness cancellation for teachers. 4. Federal Student Aid Perkins Loan Cancellation. This information will provide borrowers with the most up-to-date student loan forgiveness programs and an understanding of their options for getting relief from their student loans. With the correct information and knowledge, borrowers can ensure they take advantage of all available opportunities to get relief from their student loans and ensure they can manage them without undue financial hardship. Please hit the subscribe button so Money Chat can keep you informed on money, personal finance and budgeting.